I welcome you to this training. In this training, I'll be showing you how to load Revit templates into your Revit folders. A lot of you guys have complained that your Revit does not have Revit templates. Now, before we get started, what are Revit templates? Revit templates are where you can start your design from. You can start from any existing project or the existing project that Revit has already provided. It depends on the installation of your Revit software. It depends on the person that installed it and how he installed it. If it is not properly installed, you will see that when you try to use those templates, you will not have any. And if you don't have any templates, it is difficult for you to start your Revit project. So I am going to be showing you now, even though during the installation of your own Revit, your template was not properly loaded, I will show you how you can download my own and load it into your own project. All right. Without wasting your time, let's get into my computer and I'll show you now how you can download it and load it into your Revit project. The first step you will take is to download my own template first. And normally I send you the link. If you download it, it should be something like this. Okay, so the first thing is you right click on it and extract it. You can see extract. Okay, now I have extracted it. Now you can see this is the extracted version. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I can delete this one since I have extracted it. Now let me delete that. Okay, so this is what we have now. So I'm going to open my Revit. Let me launch my Revit. Now I have launched my Revit now. So what I will do now is simply click on open. And once you click on open like that, it will take you to this interface. And you are going to click somewhere here. Please follow me closely. You can click on any of this folder. Let's say I click on library. Okay. If I click on this folder, you see that the folder I am seeing up here is called generic. Any folder you are seeing here is okay as long as you click on somewhere here and you see a folder here. So what you do now is to click on this drop down. It will now expand more folders for you. You are going to go up a little bit. Okay, so if you go up a little bit, you will see Revit, whatever it is. It could be Revit 2019, Revit 2017, or any year you are using. So you are going to open that particular folder. And when you open that particular folder, you see all the necessary folders that are here. Okay, you can see all the folders that are here. Your own may not be exactly what you are seeing in my own now, but for sure you are going to see some folders. Okay, now the folder we are talking about is this templates. That is the folder we are talking about. If your own does not load well, the folder may be here, but it may be empty. Okay, the folder may be here, but it may be empty. Or if the folder is not even here, that is fine. So if the folder is not here, you can load your own here. You can virtually copy any folder and paste it here. That is what I want to show you, how you can paste folders here. All right, so let's bring in our own template now. So what I would do is I can go to my folder on my computer here. Okay, and this is my own now. If I like, I can rename it. You remember, this is my own folder in my computer. This is not inside Revit yet. Okay, so I can rename it. Let me rename it so that by the time I paste it, you will see the difference. Templates underscore team. I rename it so that by the time I paste it there, you will know that that is the one I pasted. All right, so I can now copy it. Right click on it, I click and copy. Then you can minimize this one, and here you are inside this Revit folder. Okay, so you can right click here and paste, and boom, that is it. You now have Revit template in your folder. Okay, so what I will do now is I can close this. Assuming I want to start a new project from a fresh background, what I can do is I can click on new, then I click on browse. At this point, it has taken me to the generic template. What if your own Revit does not have this generic template? It means that you can go into that folder we have just pasted and use the ones that are there. So what you will do is to click on this drop down to expand it, and you go up a little bit. You will see this Revit 2019. Open it. Now you look for that one you have just pasted. Can you see that one I just pasted? I double click on it to open it. I can open this one further, and here you have different kinds of templates here. You have Australia. If you want to use the one from Australia, this is it here. Okay, then let's go back a little bit. If you want to use the one from Canada, this is it here. Okay, you have so many of them. You are now left with any one you want to use. If you want to use a US metric, this is it here. You can open this one. Okay, you have so many of them. Let's use this US metric. US metric is in millimeter. Okay, so let's use that one. I can open it and click OK, and it's upgrading it because the Revit template was originally in 2015, and I did that on purpose so that as long as you are using Revit of 2015 and above, you will be able to use this template. Even though you are using Revit 2024, you will be able to use this template. All right, okay, so you can see that this is it here. This is your templates. Amazing, right? So with this, you can start your project. I'm sure this video is going to help you a lot. In case the video helps you, do well to give me a video testimonial. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know your question in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.